We're starting our chapter 2 today, the age of revolutions. Please turn your page to page number 8. That is our lesson today. And in this lesson, there are 3 parts. If you see age of revolution, age means period. Period means era or yug. That period when revolutions took place. Now, revolution means kranti in Hindi. What is the meaning of revolution? You know that evolution is a very slow change. When we say evolution of man, that means we are talking about the change from ape to man. But when we are talking about revolution, it is a quick change, a total change. So here we will be seeing 3 basic revolutions in this. Let us have a look at this. We will be talking about the American War of Independence, the French Revolution, and in the Industrial Revolution, which is a slightly different kind of revolution. Now here the definition is given in brief. Revolution means a radical change in human life. Radical means a total change. In the American War of Independence, we see how the colonies became free from their mother country, that is from England, and they had an independent country, which we know today as United States of America. The second one, the French Revolution, used to have absolute monarchy, and then how it changed to republic. That means from Rajyashahi, how it became Lokshahi. But the last one, unlike the first 2, it wasn't a war, or there wasn't any bloody period, or there wasn't any battle, because Industrial Revolution is the change that came about when you have machine-made goods suddenly after having man-made goods. That means the production increases, the style of production changes, the amount of production changes, and all this change is known as the Industrial Revolution. So we will see these one by one. Okay, let us have a look. First we talk about the American War of Independence. First let us understand the background. The British founded 13 colonies in North America between 1607 and 1733 AD. Now you already know that India was one of the colonies of the British. Other than India, there were more than 50 colonies that they established all over the world, basically for trade, and later they started exploiting them. So in America also, you know that after Christopher Columbus, Amerigo Vespucci went to America, and once they discovered that, oh, there's land over there, it was never shown on the geographical map, there's a lot of scope over there, it's a fertile land, rich, us to earn from there also, then the British decided to colonize America. So they established 13 colonies in America. The colonies were expected to sell their produce to England and not compete with the British goods, and also pay duties and taxes to England. What does this mean? Whatever was produced in America, that means the colonies, they were British colonies, they were supposed to sell it to England. Later on, England would sell it to another country. That means the American colonies could not sell their produce directly. To give you an example, suppose the American colonies were producing wheat or corn. Okay, America is known for corn. They had to sell that corn to first England, and then England would sell it elsewhere. Suppose they were getting it for 5 rupees, they would sell it for 10 rupees. Now naturally the colonies will feel, we are producing it, why can't we sell it directly for 10? I'm just giving an example. Nowadays you don't get anything in 5 or 10 rupees. But they felt we should earn the profit because we have worked hard and we should earn it. But England said no. Plus, if England was selling a certain produce, which of course was not made in England, like for example, England used to buy tea from Sri Lanka, or they used to buy tea from India, then they used to sell it to other places, or they used to get coffee from Brazil, and they used to sell it to other places to make profit. So these American colonies, in case they produced tea or they produced coffee, they could not sell it directly to the other country and earn profit. They had to sell it to England. Okay, that was one problem. Second problem was they had to pay taxes to England.